A few years ago, we had an opportunity to go to one of our international customers, one that is probably one of the oldest and largest international distributors. The company is Interchem in Trinidad and Tobago. Clearly, oil and gas is one of the main industries that we service and provide products to in that island. So, a few years back, we had an opportunity to go there and visit a couple customers. One of them was a drilling rig. It's actually a workover rig that is designed to basically clean and maintain operational producing wells. When we get on site, we were supposed to test our product just to offer an alternative to solvents and other chemicals that they may be using at the time. So the first thing that we saw is this person was cleaning actually that rig, and he was using a solvent. It was basically like a kerosene type of, a solvent. And of course, when you think about kerosene cleaning oil, it works really fast and it works really well in terms of removing the residue from the surface. Not talking about, the compatibility with the surface, the damage that it may create, the exposure to hazards or something like that. But it resulted that we were able to actually split the truck in half, and then he cleaned one half with his solvent, and we were given the other half to clean with our product, using actually RigWatch, which is the product that we have designed for the oil and gas industry. So we end up actually spraying the product using a pump up foamer, couple sprays, here and there. It's always fun to watch, but it's also make you feel so proud of what you are bringing to the customer, because you see the eyes of people impressed, like that wow moment on people that is like, wow, I can't believe that this product that is safer, is a water-based product, can work as good as this solvent that I'm used to use. So that moment gives you not only hope, but it's also reaffirming that you are on the right track, actually providing something that truly works, but is way safer for both people and the environment. So that was a great sensation actually with the customer.